Okay, so as mentioned, I'm Joanna. I'm here to talk about our RFP design proposal around reputation and voting weight system. So Bill gave a really good overview about FlowTrack, so no need to dig deep into this. But as part of FlowTrack, we specialize in three segments: risk intelligence, DAO governance, and simulations for decentralized decision making. Um, our leadership team consists of us five. So I'm the SNet leader, Jose is Cardano, Bill's the lead scientist, Megan's a communication lead, and Kenrick is the president. Um, as for our program management within FlowTrack, our ethos is central to decentralized program management. So we use a approach called sociocracy, where our decisions are based on consent, and we have different customer circles that are duly linked. Okay, so I'll dig deep into our proposal. A quick overview, this RFP design aims to develop three main RFPs that will lead the way for building out a more sophisticated reputation system for SingularityNet. And some background based on our previous work. So we got involved with reputation work with deep funding back in deep funding round 2. During that round, we built a proof of concept to just automate how deep funding has been calculating their reputation scores. So a little bit of background information as well for those of you that don't know. Voting weight and influence within deep funding is calculated on a combination of the reputation or engagement score that you build through interacting in various methods, but right now through the proposal portal. And then combined with your square root of AGIX holding, and then that will output your final voting weight. So what we've been doing is in defunding 2, we automated the engagement score calculation from the proposal data. In defunding 3, we continued the efforts to building the MVP, and this will be a fully functional tool that integrates both the voting portal data and the proposal portal data. And we've built algorithms, or we've enhanced the algorithms that currently exist within deep funding to really capture how these engagement scores and voting weights can be calculated. So an example is we've built an algorithm that captures entropy. And this means like how are community members likely to like what is their voting behavior when they go to vote on different proposals and their rate them, and then how can we penalize such bad behavior and whatnot. So we have all of this will be outputted within our reports, and this tool will actually be used with deep funding round 4 to calculate the voting weight and the reputation scores for this round and the previous rounds. Oh, I'll stop here. But this, okay, I went really over time, but I didn't really talk about the RFP design. Maybe I could take 1 second.
Okay, just wrap up, please.
Okay, very quickly. So then the key milestones for this RFP design is 3 RFPs to pretty much lay the foundations for how the entire architecture will look like. A microservice layer, what microservices will we need to feed the data into a knowledge graph that will also then feed this algorithm layer to output the voting weights and the engagement scores. So we will work with the community in writing out these RFPs and publishing them for the community to build in the next round.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's great. Thank you. Thank you, Ivana.